Yep. These are pretty cool though. These bags are dope. Fantastic. How are you? Yeah. What's the website? What's the website to get the stuff?
Oh, skunk.com.
Skunk.com?
Yes.
They own skunk.com?
Yeah.
Damn. That's a big flex right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the stuff?
So everything is smell proof.
Okay.
These are smell proof bags. All of them also come with locks on them as well. They don't get detected at the airport, which customers love. These right here, the ones you're looking at, these are the face-offs. These are what we're mostly known for. So with the backpack, it comes with the face. And the cool thing about them is that you could take them all the way off.
Oh, dang.
So a customer can have like one bag with like 10 different designs.
Can you do that on the camera?
What was that?
Can you do that on the camera again? That was cool.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
So this is what we're mostly known for. You just clip them off, and then the faces come all the way off, and you can change the design for any bag. So you can have like 10, 20 different designs for one bag.
Cool.
We also just started a new thing where we can put your own art or your own logo on the bags as well.
For like one piece? Or how many
so
you gotta get?
That's mostly
For the
wholesale.
wholesaler. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But on the website you sell direct to customer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can also find us on Amazon.
Let's go.
We're kind of everywhere. We've been around for like 10 plus years.
Cool.
We're the first smell-proof bags.
Let's go. Thank you.
Hopefully that's good.
That's good.
I feel like I stutter a lot, so I'm like...
I didn't notice at all.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Of course.
That was close.
What?
My left shoulder is messed up.
It's fucked up from this excursion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey guys,
Hello. Please. Sure.
Yeah.
Here, drop one
We have
in.
White Rhino, Doobie. There you go. You got all the good
Awesome.
stuff.
Thank you.
What are you guys here for today?
We're trying to figure out what your website is.
Oh yeah, we have our little QR code here.
What's it?
So we have
GetDube.com?
and we got
RockyDistro.com.
and we also got
White Rhino Wholesale.
WhiteRhinoWholesale.com.
Awesome. What all do you sell?
Oh, we sell everything from glassware, papers, grinders. We have some gummies, kratom, kava, you name it.
You name it.
Come on in and
Let's
check
go.
it out.
He's checking. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Have fun today.
Thank you. You too. The silicone joints. Honey puff. Hello. You have a website?
Decathlon.
Oh, honeypuffofficial.com.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a small gift for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The name card. and
Okay.
everything, yeah.
It's got everything in there.
Yes.
Perfect. What do you sell? What's Honey Puff?
It's
Monkey accessories.
Okay. Cool. Got cone filling. Thank you. Thank you.
Right down.
Green Planet Products, another distributor. What's the website? You got a website?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Okay.
Oh. Okay, thank you. What's up? Do you have a website? You have a website?
Yeah, we do.
What is it?
Talk to him.
What's the website?
Sorry?
The website.
I'm a doctor. I'm here to get prescription.
Oh, right here. Awesome.
What do you do?
TheGreenPlanetProducts.com.
Yeah. What do you guys
Awesome.
do?
We're recording every booth, every product in CHAMPS.
Oh, okay.
Vegas, you know.
Oh, good.
So we're gonna put you on YouTube.
Let me give you. मुझे पानी पूरी आ गया यार. पानी ले आता है नहीं? मेरे आ गया अपना करे. नहीं बैग तो ले आते हैं, बोतल ले आते हैं. That's the guy.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Excuse me.
You work for 30 minutes straight, and they'll get you high like there's no tomorrow.
Let's go. That's legit. That's the plug right there. Oh, excuse me.
You got a good amount of options. 16 flavors total.
16 flavors?
What do you like? Fruity flavors, kush flavors, mint flavors?
I like the Kush flavor. Or a mint. You said mint?
I have Khalifa mint, which is
I
a
fuck
nice
with the
strong
mint.
OG
I fuck with the mint.
with a hint of mint.
Let's
Then
go.
we have ice blue ras, blue
Let's
candy
go.
with an aftertaste of ice.
Oh yeah.
Try those. Here's my card,
Let's go.
and please leave me a review once you try it.
Right on, homie. Thank you. Fat Woods.
All right, this way.
All right.
Back.
Yes, sir.
I gotta do a heavy stretch.
Float mushrooms.
Right, this is
All right. Thought we already did the. Yeah. Thank you. Float. Mushroom products, float. We did a video of float. Alright. What's the website where we can get this stuff?
It's gotmapewholesale.com.
Oh, I already.
Yeah, you talked to me already.
You have another one? Oh, you
Yeah,
have.
we're on both
Oh
sites.
my goodness.
We manufacture excess suture and wolf. This is what we manufacture.
Okay.
And that site's what we wholesale.
Okay. Awesome. Cool. Thank you. This is their second booth. Oh, I said this was their second booth. You alright?
maybe if I switch my arms.
Alright.
What's going on, guys? How are you?
What up?
Doing great.
What's the website?
Cookies.
Cookies?
Hey, our
.com?
website is cookies.com. What's our website?
It's
THCA.cookies.co.
You got it.
Let's go. What makes it the best?
Cookies branded only making the best products. They get the best manufacturers and trial and error until they get a high quality product. Then they release it.
Let's go.
All right, man. Take care.
Appreciate you. Excuse me. Hello. How you doing?
What's going on, man?
Not much.
From the Vibes.
What's the website?
That's vibespapers.com.
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 And so you got
At Vibes
what makes the papers the vibe?
Well, they are made from the most premium materials sourced in France. They are hand cut and hand rolled in the Dominican Republic.
Let's go.
This is Burner's rolling paper brand. You can
Okay.
find anything from your Blancos over here that are very, very thin, super wide for your hash holes and donuts. Our partnership with Bic is phenomenal. We've got the LMNOP peanut butter and jelly set up here, where you got everything you need that goes together. Black on black Bic lighter, 1 1/4 ultra thin cone, and a 1 1/4 booklet, all in a beautiful little corrugate display. Don't sleep on the Calis though. A cylindrical pre-roll gives you more airflow, better flavor. Got them in 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, and you better sit down Cubano,
Let's go.
right? And then I'll show you something that really means something to us.
Let's go.
We partnered with the Last Prisoner Project. The Last Prisoner Project raises money for non-violent cannabis offenders who are still currently incarcerated. Every box of release paper we sell, the proceeds go towards helping one of these individuals out of prison. What's cool about these booklets is it actually has the name and the story of one of the prisoners that we could be helping.
Dope.
So that's the type of vibe
Cool.
that we have here.
Let's go.
Cookies Family, Cookies World, Vibes Booth, Champs, Las Vegas, July 2024.
Let's go. Appreciate you, Doug.
You got it.
Thank you. Right here, Santa Cruz Shredder. Stepping in. Oh, it's an interesting floor. What's the website?
How's it going?
You got a website?
Yes. www.santacruzshredder.com.
SantaCruzShredder.com. Thank you. Cool. Straight over to Hillside. Oh, so this cookie's got all the way to here. Look, you see this? Pretty good. What's the website?
What's up?
The website. You got a website?
Shoot. What's the website? Hillsideglass.net.
Hillsideglass.net. Right on, homie. Thank you. What up, man? Pretty good. What do you got over here? What's all this stuff?
Cookies glass.
Cookies glass? Dope. People like it?
Of course.
Of course. Let's go. Right on, homie. What's the website?
The cookiesglass.com.
Cookieglass.co. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Good.